Most of us spend hours every day staring at screens, phones, laptops, tablets. But imagine a world where the screen disappears completely. No keyboard, no mouse, no voice commands, just thought. What if you could send a message, open an app, or even learn a new skill using nothing but your mind? This is not science fiction. This is Neuralink, a tiny brain implant being developed by Elon Musk's company that could connect the human brain directly to computers. If it works, it could cure paralysis, restore sight to the blind, and eventually change what it means to be human. Human intelligence is incredibly powerful, but our interface with the world is painfully slow. Your brain can generate complex ideas in milliseconds, but turning those ideas into words takes time. Turning them into text takes even longer. This creates what engineers call a bandwidth problem. Your brain is capable of processing massive amounts of information, but your ability to transmit that information outward is extremely limited. Elon Musk once described human communication as a low-bandwidth interface. We think faster than we can speak, and we speak faster than we can type. So most of our intelligence never fully leaves our minds. It gets trapped there. Neuralink is an attempt to remove that bottleneck. Instead of communicating through fingers or voice, your brain would communicate directly with machines. So how does this technology actually work? At the center of Neuralink is a small implantable chip, roughly the size of a coin. Connected to the chip are dozens of ultra-thin threads. Each thread is thinner than a human hair. These threads are carefully inserted into specific areas of the brain. But here's the surprising part. The surgery is not performed by a human doctor. It's performed by a surgical robot. The robot can insert the threads with microscopic precision, avoiding blood vessels, minimizing damage, and placing the electrodes exactly where signals are strongest. Once implanted, the chip begins reading electrical signals from neurons. Those signals are then transmitted wirelessly to a computer. In simple terms, your thoughts become digital commands. In early trials, patients have already used Neuralink to control a computer cursor, play video games, and type messages without moving their hands. For someone who is paralyzed, this technology could completely change their life, but medical treatment is only the beginning. The long-term goal of Neuralink goes far beyond medicine. Elon Musk believes humanity faces a serious challenge: artificial intelligence. AI systems are improving at an extraordinary pace. They process information faster, learn faster, and operate without biological limits. If AI continues advancing while humans remain biologically unchanged, the intelligence gap could become enormous. Musk believes there are only two options. Either we compete with AI or we merge with it. Neuralink represents the second path, a direct interface between the human brain and digital intelligence. Instead of fighting machines, we integrate with them. It's a radical idea. But history shows that humans constantly evolve alongside technology. The printing press expanded knowledge, the internet expanded communication, Neuralink could expand cognition itself. But every technological leap brings new questions. What happens when thoughts can be recorded? Who owns the data inside your brain? Could memories be edited? Could skills be downloaded? And if humans become partly digital, what does being human even mean anymore? The technology may still be in its early stages, but the direction is clear. For the first time in history, we may soon gain the ability to upgrade our own minds. The future of Neuralink may not just reshape technology, it may reshape humanity itself. The real question is not whether this future will arrive. The question is whether we are ready for it.